also our peace walk, Abbas peace walk. Ahead of 2020 election, and I be PMO as I would check. Now, many of my brothers, Zack Gh. I mean, no quick to judge what you say. And see, about one, say when you be a support, say a party I want support here. Don't be quick to judge. Don't be quick to take actions. You understand? Brother, more power about Poleeno.
Yeah, me, Romeo.
Na apomwe
me don't also
me
say I won't can actually
oh ejuma the end nam sa ye nyina nim say peace work na de nyina na onya call and say ye peace work no then ya na say say we na the buy
oh never obi ansha me say member my sister Aisha and I friend me and my sister Aisha so friend me no once my sister so no my sister who me up way back from my musical career to my movie career, people don't know. Okay. And Alhaji Abbas Sarakigiwa, and so peace walk, and Alhaji Abbas Sarakigiwa, and so no, I am a kunta. Oh, yes, and you know,
that's how you move from baby, and I also Dogana, my
exactly, because always, you know, my customer and quick to judge. One Ghana, one nation, a tour to me. In Ghana for and you know me everything about Ghana they me support it. I'm always in it and a piece in so no I've been saying it always you know me can't be ana me can't me there me pass on way like as on way there a year obu and then they be me can say I won't fair and subampa eda ye name obu and jumaden so eda wechi and then baby a we be ana na wa hwe ne because peace there a year Ghana one thing about us Ghanaians I love my country Ghana. Basa and Tokwaye dear. A guru said them cry and that is Ghana for you. Like other African countries and ones and Tokwaku possibly brave, but Ghana has ABC that. Your mom penina when you're never because your men for the cry and see ye every time of Krana, not you say a military, I buy a young warrior Krano. Yes. Mesa town na woman. Ya woman so I mean heading free money mean who be sada. And I mean say be so NCA kopem say yan so your regime no ebe corner for Frabant. It's all about peace and we should all live in peace. Okay.
But what you are saying say oh no who be there and then no say be sa intimacy. So I didn't see na Friday Monday e koto abe. Mo kan bom say mo peace work.
Oh yes, because when you are Drew say now, I can say we the celebrities, the people. Always, you know, I can say we are the celebrities. The fans out there are the stars. Okay. So we have to talk to the stars. Okay. Yani omona ye juma. Yani ni padudu na ekasa because obi owa otie me, otie kwekumeno, otie kwejon cancer. Abbas Sarakigiwa ewe influence, Honorable Clement ewe influence. You know. If you are a celebrity now when himself who influence this is the right time we have to talk to people out there concerning peace. And you know, and yeah, all about say yeah nante keke bayenka asumbia samanchira ye mind enko to abana asumbia because about will say ya no na eden tokwa eba amanfo amama so. And you know, once Edru Samre Monday 7th to the best thing we the celebrities should do is we talk to the beautiful Ghanaian people. Okay.
It's very nice. Obisobeka say with this 2020 election because of social media and internet, and your mind is I don't know how to explain it, but I say the tension now before new election. Almost say this 2020 game. And I think there is it's going to be one of the peaceful elections ever.
Yeah, I believe that. I believe that too. Because
with the social media thing.
Oh yeah, with the social media thing, no, I believe that because Omama now I is simple. Because that is how it is. Who to meet now feel crab voting. And I think it's a gradual process and we are getting there. Okay. And a corona no so be boom I was say share who ye. Obi be say be a ni ho craba but prevention is better than cure. Yeah. And you know, Madam Fuvi also provision is better than chaos. Yeah, and you know, actually, and yeah, and we are parents, you know, make us a corona and buy and you know, ama you know, and no matter what it's ya to 2 year my year. And then I know say a mark of brain in my experience.
Okay,
and we know how we are going to go about it. Years to come, or not a time to come, no crown. Yes, you to me actually fear
a system. But what you are saying about COVID, no, say COVID by in your experience, say, yeah, Ghana Hana say a man to Quesia. Say the COVID by ni intimate, who car crowd to happen.
Oh, bra. And now what kind of book say?
Also, what all see 300 and me pay at one now. Who will see that one?
Oh, to a coin. I was see 300 and I want to pay. Offer me.
Some are no castle, the one, but I say, Mr.
Casamon,
I have for Mr. Casamon. When you say, oh, it's me a summer, so now my general come on.
And the COVID there, Macassa, a buyer, a money paper is there, and we are still learning. We are learning day in, day out. Things are happening, new things are coming in, and the best thing is that we talk to people out there. We all come under one umbrella. I mean, that is what I believe. I love to see brothers and sisters looking out for one another.
Okay.
What you say, and always, say, don't want to say, Zack Gh or support you be and that is me. Whether you are under G, what to say, me respect or be respect me.
No clear.
Man respect you are exactly. Man respect or respect me. Obi so bet na ho. Uye bibi anu odi watem. Me Zack, I don't read comments because first camera especially the insults. I don't read it because I'm fat sika anything mami bottom. And then whatever you do, no, I tell the artists out there, I tell anybody who has a special talent, they say, focus and keep doing what you are doing. Whether you say, unimuye, do it. And you need another talent in the mouth. Talent in the mouth. So just believe in yourself. And believe in yourself. Because we'll be anywhere or change.
Okay.
That is my belief.
It's very deep. I mean, say, oh yeah, enjoying say, and then we post it and nipa ba open there, nipa minu.
Yeah,
just
exactly.
Keep on doing.
Yeah, obi post it there, obi be share, obi enshare, obi be like it, obi en like it, obi be share, obi en share. And you know, obi feel say, menya 1 like, 2 like. Don't forget. First show you say, omo ma share, omo etwemu no. Aburo omo ma like it, I share. And also the show with you, when you are doing something, just bring out your best. Right. And that is me. Always in the me repetitive for no. Bro. Yeah, I love it. Still no cry about peace walk. You say you bought it for and you must see how we are all moving with. But and always, always be an quick to judge. Don't be quick in judging. Quick to judge. And people love that song. Also for Cracker it's a gospel. And he can't stop listening to that song. And I'm proud of it. And I'm in a family, so don't envy. And trust me, very soon I'm bringing out a new song titled Answer.
Okay.
16. We're breaking news now.
Okay. Answer.
Answer.
Me friend wafa.
Answer. The word answer.
Okay.
My new title. No.
Until say Eroba.
Oh Chineke, my God, oh, them they pray for my downfall, oh. Me I the mind for my business, oh. Now my matter be your matter, make you eradicate, oh. Wow. Oh Lord, give me answer. I no go live for your body now, and I go there, give me answer. Tie, ne me be a me ya emfa. Say como de me aya menka me nyamie ma mente wonka na atamfo na sorry o aya na maka me kwa memma me da enda enteba na muntie ne so.
Wow. I mean, and you know
first time I hear baby. Yeah, first time I hear no channels.
Wow.
Me ntina baby anto.
Some me catch am say I have say Poleeno Multimedia no. Yeah, mo always still data da. A big grand sida. So be her content we no sida.
Yeah man.
Bruh, you say more say like I don't know how to put it, but statures and I say natures like you people in the industry along the line and now more diverted the political game. Yeah. Are we looking forward to see you in the political game?
No.
Never.
No.
Not to campaign, but maybe to aspire.
To aspire people is to tell people
to aspire for a position.
No. I won't do that. No. I don't do politics. My side is different.
Okay.
My side is different. My own is to entertain, to educate, to motivate people, to talk to people. My side not fun or not. And when it's about football, I love football.
Okay.
I love music. My side and then movie as well because movie everything. I love these three things, but politics and yeah, no so interested. Party A and party B. All I see is any pabako. But to come out straight and then endorse a political party, no.
Okay. No. When you say, you love movies, you love music, you love sports. Your movie industry, we need the higher authorities to,
exactly.
Enforce some laws in there, like the film bill.
Exactly.
And a colleague and answer unya aspire for MP, and then ebeboa say bia unya wuma, so unya wuma yendi nyawo. Nti say unya ekom na yeso ye hwe ni say a film bill and as a film industry aban be ni. Don't you think say o support unya na
throwing my support for me and say me can crunch so much no.
Okay.
But say me yi menim na my campaign na man na dey be day. Because me too no phone I would advise him because so okwa onto nenim share the movie industry the side. But say me yi meni ama no empire me bobi ama no. Because say ye bi anya me nko a e bi a me ba bi me nua bi me wo fast bi
follower bi super
follower bi o say o yet say me owura movie industry no mo ntina me nso ma ho den say me bom paye ama whether that which said the uye bi anso so nyame mo na wini but say me yi meni ma be campaign ama politics I don't know like member politics that is me member politics that is me obian in the field politics is not my thing and you know many obian are fine many penny for you fine many party A penny for you fine party B penny for you fine
until John Dumelo Afro say Zack Gh days na so wi Monday kwa ekoto aba Saturday Sunday ko jam na menye campaign o ayawa so a onko
abeye I will throw my support and my prayers to him so me bompire atai John H say na me mo no we na we ni a na onkai movie industry me motive for me be bompire me gina me na so makom me kotodwe nim ti say me frenya me 5 times a day no answer no say nyame answer John na ni opese oye no obeye no nsa mo movie industry no na empeja enti say me di na chi so to nsa fra me a and e be den say metumi yi me ni mama me bra no yeah
but who hope is over win
awo me city na whatever that happens in Nigeria Ghana for whatever that happens
but who hope is over win
me I was so no me nim nipa kro on na contest
on Multimedia
and a contest and party by
MPP in this
oh okay me what I believe is nipa baako MPP when this nipa baako nipa obefa ni bia no yen throw your support man no omonye Ghana ye na yen nyina so yen kambom na yen mo ampenifo na ye be yi omo na yen nyina yen Ghana ye
all right bra kan sem ni nyina I mean 7 December ye Kotwaba at your final we said them peace okay
my final words is 7 December ye Kotwaba all I would say is to tell my beautiful Ghanaians we should go and vote in peace say oh that's one register let's now to in peace utu we are to make fie akọ relax ya even so person ogina ho na ye tu wie kra na ye nya wie ye ofie abo ba ye 5 a utu me ba wentwi unua bi ade dokwa anansie bi ba emfi no eye den ye bi dru so am what to aba mo ma ye mfa kro ye odo nkabom oba no sha peace we want come peace muchi peace also mo je mu vote 7th December nga Monday bezu wanga muduka mutane guda ne muduka yan Ghana ne zuciya guda ya fi komai Allah shine baba party A party B muduka guda ne ba fada bane politics ba fada bane shi sa 7th nga Monday ko bar mu je mu vote in peace also Ghana ci gaba cikin komai da muke anya mi mai nya hani wo fa work peace I am voting Monday mu bana on the 7th politics je no money ka ote ni onya mi ba ho he kura na eta ni abuti shibwe bo e shile ke fete e ba sho no ka je lebi ka shigbeke e ba sho no because I get few war in one. A one fan 7 December ya vote the peace about Ghana. Thank you. And I'm in
It's Kamfante man so.
Yo. My busuafo, my brothers and my sisters. 7 for all the bay, ya lot to aba. Monday ya ko to aba. Enti mo mayamfa asumdwe ekroye nkambo na yenko to aba emfa mama ofatan se party A ana party B na boto ama na oto man anyantopa ma nko gina ho enye obi a nko yiyi nsama no etu wi a etu bukofie e ko relax echiri na ebete wo resource se wo bobo na wo party ewi ni a yemfa ni je mo nko huru wo party na we losing no mfa ntokwa mba. It's all about peace. No problem fante wasadi wo fi a oyenti yemfa kambom no do ntina na yemfa nko vote.
Wow.
Menka dagmani ana.
Starman Association languages like I am one.
Menka dagmani.
No, I don't want Kadagwan because I was say Obia.
Starman dagmani also Mizaka una.
Utinina.
Oh yeah.
How?
How saying? I had this year.
Because me say me te house apa. Kasa me say me te house.
Ensro. Poleeno metro. Ensro.
And something they were canning in. I mean, 7 December, you got to aba. Go to aba ni we are kufie koda. And the rare boba. So party win ya. So we two champagne no two, but and quiet talk ourselves. And I am go win ya. Na yin na fast with you and Ghana. Because yin na be did there. And to question Bentley na mbesa meton. Minti minto. Also where you know orange no minti minto. It's yin na for door and to aba. Asu. That's it.
That's it.
Bye.